So a few days ago, we were adding some more functionality and designing some new sensors for Cosmic, our industrial IoT, and we realized we just didn't have enough time to get it all done. So we figured, why not test out the concept behind Eden Distributed Network, which is, let's publish a bounty and see if someone can help us with our challenge. So our specific challenge was, we are adding the functionality of an accelerometer, magnetometer, and gyroscope to the Cosmic module. And we were having a little bit of a hard time actually converting the raw data, which we were picking up, into usable data. Milton wrote up a challenge. Say hi, Milton.
Hi.
Milton wrote up a challenge. We had 5 people from around the globe submit it in less than 24 hours, and 2 days later we got a really beautiful working submission with a demo video, documentation, installation instructions, and the actual script all in the repo. We'll be publishing this repo open source, as we have said many times. Everything that comes out of the EDN network, the Eden Distributed Network, will be open source. So I'm going to try to get both in frame here. You see on the right there that little red module. That's the accelerometer, gyroscope, and magnetometer hybrid. And over here on the left is the actual data that's coming through. And move the sensor around a little bit. You can see that as Milton moves the sensor, it's actually pulling in XY axis information, it's pulling in the magnetometer information, and it's pulling it in a format that we can actually use in a dashboard and display back to the end client. So all in all, we are really impressed. This is kind of a big moment for us because it turns our theory into something very real. It's not just an idea.